Stay tuned to see how I achieve this super cute look. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my Valentine's Day series. This is video number 4. In today's video, I am going to be doing a twist and curl on stretched hair. The product that I use to twist my hair is the Ethiopia Hydrate and Twist Butter from Qhemet Biologics, and I'm going in to add some colors with my Gemini Naturals in the color Pink Berry. So again, I'm doing a twist and curl on stretched hair. I have twisted in small to medium sections, and I'm adding a perm rod at the ends. So after twisting up the entire back section of my hair, I am going back through and untwisting the bottom part to add my color. Now, Gemini Naturals is a Black-owned, Black female-owned company that provides a vegan temporary hair color gel. These vegan temporary color gels come in a variety of hues, from purple rain to ocean to sunset, silver storm, and even some more subtle hues such as espresso. These colors can be used on wet, dry, or damp hair. They can be applied to any style, from twist outs to braid outs to wash and goes. They can even be used on protective styles like braids or twists, and even locks. A little goes a long way with these colors, and they wash out in just one wash. Now again, for twisting, I am only using the Ethiopia Hydrate and Twist Butter. This is from another small Black-owned business, Qhemet Biologics, and this butter is so rich and hydrating. It can be used to keep your twists and braids smooth and frizz-free, and provide soft and flexible definition to loose styles. This butter is perfect for high and low porosity hair. I love that this product is so thick but melts right into your hands when you rub it together. This butter definitely gave my twist moisture and shine. I will leave all of the information for both of these brands and the products that I use today in the description box, as well as my discount code for Gemini Naturals. This is video 4 of my Valentine's series. I hope you've enjoyed these videos so far. Let me know in the comment which style so far is your favorite. Also, make sure to turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss another upload of mine, and make sure that you tune in to the rest of my Valentine's series. So I'm moving on to the last section of my hair. I'm going to twist this section up, and then I'm going to go in with my Gemini Naturals and add my color to the ends, and then add the perm rods. Now that my hair is all twisted and rolled, I am going to sit under my hooded dryer for about 30 minutes and let the rest air dry overnight. So here we are the next day, and my twists are dry and ready. So I am going to remove the perm rods at the ends. And as you can see, that color is so vibrant. Can't wait to see the final results. So here we are, ready to separate. And can we get into these cute little Valentine's Day earrings? I'll leave that information from where I got those in the description box as well. Another Black-owned small business that you should support. So I'm going in and just stretching out my twist and stretching out the curls at the bottoms before I go in to separate. So my hair feels amazing. It is so soft, moisturized. The definition is on point. The color is on point. I already know this is about to be a bomb style. So of course I gotta go in with my pick to do some extra fluffing and just to make sure that I get rid of any parts that were created while I was doing my twist. And here are my final results. I am definitely loving this look. Definitely gonna have to do more twist outs on stretched hair because this is giving me life. So again, I used the Ethiopia Hydrate and Twist Butter from Qhemet Biologics and Pink Berry from Gemini Naturals. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope that you've enjoyed it and enjoyed all the videos in my Valentine's series. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you in my next video.